Here she swore she loved me, through thick and through thin. But the first big storm rolled in, and she was gone with the wind. Damn thing, now the house is quiet and the phone don't ring. I'm out here chasing barges through the fog and the rain. Ohio River's calling, got coal in my veins. Locks and dams keep testing every mile I run. Engines screaming loud, but they can't drown out what's done. Every wave that hits me, every long dark night, till the next lock. Radio crackles with some old country rock. That back home growing up faster than I can see.